Are you ready to unlock the full potential of AI-generated art? In this video, we will dive into the amazing world of Midjourney V5, revealing hidden features and tips to create breathtaking images in the style of your favorite artists. I'm also going to show you an amazing AI tool for generating high-quality Midjourney prompts, so stay tuned. Midjourney V5 is amazing, and you can create an unlimited amount of great AI art with it. So let's go! First of all, type /settings to get to the settings and select Midjourney V5. Let's start with a prompt. 1960s fashion model stands next to a car. And here is the result, and it looks great. It really looks like a photo taken in 1960s. All four of them look really good. As you can see, the default of Midjourney is a photographic image. Let's try the same prompt, but this time we use "in the style of a famous modern photographer" in the end. Midjourney created these images, and they look pretty amazing, right? Let's try the same prompt, this time as a drawing by Dave Gibbons, a famous comics artist. It looks great, with the same core concept as the previous images, but this time in a completely different style. Here is another example, again in the style of Dave Gibbons. You can turn any idea, any prompt into an image in the style of your favorite artists. Midjourney V5 has a more linguistic approach to prompts. To get the best results, it's good to use full sentences describing the scene you want the Midjourney to create, like in this example, of a Viking feast. Don't forget to add information about lighting, as this has a great effect on the results. Again, the result is in the default Midjourney photographic style. It looks amazing, but we can turn it into anything we like. This is the same prompt in the style of Dan Mora, another famous comics artist. This one is in style of Dave Gibbons. I love how the core idea stays the same based on the prompt, but the art style changes. Let's explore a little bit more of this new natural language approach to prompting that Midjourney V5 introduced. This prompt produced really nice images with a cinematic feeling to them. Again, by using a specific style in the prompt, we can change it into something like this. Here is another example, the same prompt in different styles. Another amazing thing that Midjourney V5 lets you do is creating tileable images. By using tile in your prompts, you can create images like these. The generated images are tileable, meaning they will line up seamlessly side by side. I love this feature because it allows you to line up the images and create large, detailed images. You can use them as a background, for game development, and some people even sell them online as digital printables. You have to try this, it's very satisfying. Another cool thing I want to show you is using unusual aspect ratios in Midjourney. In this example I used 1:10 aspect ratio. The result is this giant tall image full of interesting creatures. With Midjourney V5 you can experiment with all kinds of aspect ratios and get very interesting results. Now I'm going to show you an amazing tool for Midjourney prompt generation. DSNR AI has a Discord channel that simplifies the process of generating prompts for Midjourney image generation. To access it, join their Discord. You will find the link in the description below. In the Discord, go to the channel called Create Thread and click the button to create a new thread. This opens a private thread where you can use the prompt design and enter a basic idea for an image. For example, let's try an image of a tiger. DSNR will ask questions about the details of the prompt, such as type, color of fur, what the tiger is doing, background, and even the expression on the tiger's face. After answering the questions, DSNR AI generates a detailed prompt for you. Copy the prompt, paste it into Midjourney, and see the generated image. It looks great! A beautiful tiger. There is a waterfall in the background, and the tiger is in motion, exactly as I specified while generating the prompt. The tiger even looks kind of surprised. Good job, DSNR! DSNR AI aims to simplify the process of generating detailed prompts, allowing user to focus on high-level ideas while it handles the details. The generated images may not always be perfect, but it's a fun tool to experiment with. And it takes some of the thinking out of a prompt engineering. Let's try another one, this time more artistic. Let's go with a cute green alien sitting in a purple bowl. Let's choose custom instead of photorealistic. Now DSNR asks about the pose of the alien, face expression, size of the purple bowl, texture of the bowl, and image background. Now we can choose a specific art medium. Let's try colored pencils. DSNR allows you to choose a specific artistic style too. For this demonstration, let's try a cartoonish style. It's also possible to add an artist inspiration to make the image in the style of a specific artist. Let's try Takashi Murakami. I love his colorful and energetic art style. Finally, here is our prompt. So let's try it in Midjourney. Wow, this looks great! I especially love the fourth one. It's super cute and very well done. Maybe this cute alien will become the new face of my channel. What do you think? I hope you found experimenting with Midjourney V5 in this video as much fun as I did. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And if you want to learn how to train GPT-4 to provide you with the prompts for amazing photorealistic images in Midjourney, definitely watch this video.